What's up everybody, my name is Ibra. This is my Bordeaux BMW E36 and welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm going to fit this hood light. This is original from BMW E36, removed from another donor car. I also found some clips from my junk and I will be fitting this to the hood of my BMW. I have kept this for a really long time in my drawer and I finally got some spare time. I also got a bunch of stuff from my close friend to be able to fit this properly. So let's start. Before I start the video, please hit the button subscribe to support me, so I will be able to make more videos of this lovely BMW E36. First thing first, I want to get rid of this thing because first of all this is aftermarket, and second I thought that I would be able to properly fit this, but it didn't work, so I will just get rid of this thing. This is already not fit properly. Good. I have prepared in advance these clips and this bolt. Let's just test fit it first. Yeah, it works. It's so windy outside, so I decided to prepare the cables at least in the car, and the rest of the things I will do outside anyway. Also, I'm not really sure about cable installation, where I have to take the plus and minus and so on, so meanwhile I can just think about it. No, it's not that big deal. It's just giving plus and minus from the battery and having 12 volt on the lamp. So I'm not really worried that I'm going to burn the car down. Okay, this one is ready and we have to set the cables. I was able to open this box. This is when you need to give electricity to another car or to take electricity from another car, you can use this point. This is for plus. I found here some space that I can put. I prepared also a cable, so I will be putting the cable here and putting the nut on it. And it's going to be very stable. Okay, I closed here and this is ready. I think we can even test it. This is on 0 position. I'm giving electricity. This is just a test fit. Please don't be so harsh. And it works. Yes. But there is one thing that I'm not really comfortable leaving the system like this without fuse, so I will try to put some fuse. I have some extra fuse here. Let's choose the smallest one. I think 5 would be okay, so I'm taking 5. It's another day actually, but I'm going to show you how I put the cables. So the cable goes to here. I have a zip tie here. It goes from inside, another zip tie here, another zip tie here, one more zip tie here, and the ground of the lamp is here. Thus I'm saving from the cables and also from my nerves. And plus the power of the light goes to here. I will be putting the cable to here and comes to here. I have put the button temporarily here because I will prepare some box to hide it from water, so it's going to be here for some days. Just to make sure that I'm not going to burn the car down, I put a fuse as well here, and the power to the button comes from here. And the system works. It's LED inside and it's very powerful. Even for the day I see the light. And that's it. For the time being it's really messy. I want to give a nice wash here to make sure that I won't be seeing dirt around, and also I will clean the cable installation. I will put some order to them. I have to change those stuff and eventually put the carpet of the hood. I guess it's called like this. But it was very simple, very easy to fit this lamp here. Let's turn it off, not to kill the battery. It was very simple, took like 2 hours to fit it properly, and it's working. Thank you for watching the video, and please hit the button subscribe to support me, so there will be more videos of this dirty BMW E36. Stay tuned.